Hi friends, welcome to my channel Emirates Loto Winner. Friends, today this video is for Mahzooz draw prediction. My 16 powerful numbers out of 49 which has very high chances to come. Friends, from 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers, 3, 8 and 9. From 10 to 19 I have 4 numbers. Number 1 is 16, number 2 is 17, number 3 is 18 and number 4 is 19. From 20 to 29 I have also 4 numbers, 21, 23 and 24 and 26. Friends, from 30 to 39 I have 3 numbers, 31, 36 and 37. In this video I will give you one most powerful golden number for the coming draw. In my suggestion, you must select this number in your selection. From 40 to 49 I have 2 numbers only. Number 1 is 43 and number 2 is 47. These are my 16 powerful numbers. If you like any number from it, you can choose. If you don't like, leave it. One golden number for this draw, which has very big chances, golden number, that is 30. Friend, this number has the ability to come on this draw. So when you select your number, this number should in your pocket, 30, according to my research. You should select your maximum numbers in this draw from 2 to 30. You should select maximum numbers between 2 to 30. You should select 3 odd numbers and 2 even numbers. If the number will repeat from previous result was 5, 12, 14 and 22 and 27. If the number will repeat from previous result according to my research in this draw, there is no chances the number will repeat from previous result. There is no chances to repeat from previous result. But in my research, you can also check in past result, whenever the 22 number came in the result, the 2 numbers 2 and 7. From these 2 numbers, one number repeated in previous 2 to 3 draws when 22 numbers came in the result. So if you want to play the repeated number, then these 2 numbers has chances can repeat after 22, 2 and 7. This is my final prediction for coming draw. It is the last draw of the month. This draw going to be grand draw. You can also win other prizes. So good luck to all and goodbye.